So he said it seems कि last cigarette is not also available to me करके. And next day morning we had to pick up his body. I am Lieutenant Colonel A.L. Joshi and I am from Grenadiers. Originally I went to 4 Grenadiers. Then I joined a new battalion that is 19 Grenadiers. And I have been the participant of 71 war. I was in Bangladesh. And most unfortunate thing is that I could not see Dhaka because I was injured on 15th. I was injured on 15th and 16th the unilateral ceasefire took place. And the best experience of my that was on 9th or 10th. We were under the shower of 105, I mean Pakistani bombing. It was raining on us like anything, but I was not injured at all. And 15th, there were only 5 bombs, out of which one took me. I got a splinter in my right shoulder. I was immediately evacuated and went to Calcutta and all that. And after that, of course, now in normal life.
सर वॉर में फ्रंट फुट पे आप रहे हैं, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा था 1971 वाला?
71, it was undergoing the training, we were little bit used to it, but actual war was something different. You know, everybody feels, you know, आज तो मरना है, लेकिन मैं नहीं मरूंगा. It is going to be somebody else. And the worst experience was that one of the 5 Maratha officers came to me and he says, "Sir, I'm going on patrol at night." I said, "Yes. Can I have a cigarette?" I said, "Sorry, I don't smoke." You see, the one speaks his death himself. He said, "It seems ki you understand Marathi? Marathi, you understand? Language? No. Okay." So he said, "It seems ki last cigarette is not also available to me करके." And next day morning we had to pick up his body. He went inside the Pakistanis and it was pretty cold. तो वहाँ जो पानी रास्ते के दोनों बाजू जो पानी होता है, तो out of that he went and task given to him was to find out what strength is there. He saw some shillet there and he said, "ये कौन है?" Unfortunately, they were Pakistanis. So they started firing. The moment they started firing, he jumped. Ice cold water to the side. But the man behind him, he said, "साहब, ये तो हम इनके FDL में घुस गए, उनके तो फॉरवर्ड डिफेंडेड लोकेलिटी में हम घुस गए करके." बाकी तो वापस आ गए. He could not come back. And he was killed there. And there only in a pathetic manner, that is, he was strangulated. That was my bitter experience.
बट लेकिन सर इतने एक्सट्रीम वेदर कंडीशंस में हमारी सेना लड़ती है, तो मतलब वो एक क्या एक्सपीरियंस, क्या जोश, क्या रहता है?
No, जोश तो होता है because you know you really feel like tolerating it. कि ठीक है, भूख लगी तो नहीं लगी तो लगी, पानी मिला तो मिला, नहीं मिला, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because during the 71 war, we just could not get our food for 72 hours. We were hungry. तो लोकल आते थे, वो पेड़ का नारियल तोड़ के देते थे. वो नारियल पानी आप ज़्यादा भी नहीं पी सकते हो ना, तो उसमें से वो खोपरा जो होता है वो हम खा के रहते थे. बट वन डिडंट फील एनीथिंग. वी टेक इट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द गेम कि ठीक है, नहीं है तो नहीं है.
जैसे ये एनिमी की ब्रूटैलिटी की बात है, जैसे 71 वॉर में
extremely they are, I mean, I feel they are disgusting people. Absolutely, I hate them. I have seen the bodies यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक के all flesh sliced. पैर में जूते वैसे थे, यहाँ बेल्ट लगा हुआ था, लेकिन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक के इतना सा भी मांस उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा. ऐसे कितना दुख हो के मरा होगा बेचारा वो आदमी. वो
क्योंकि कारगिल युद्ध के दौरान भी मतलब ऐसा बोला जाता है कि पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने कभी कुछ हमारी बॉडीज नहीं वापस
नहीं की. एंड द बॉडीज व्हिच वर रिसीव्ड, इवन दो आई वाज नॉट इन द दिस वॉर, whatever I have read, and now I am reading the book of Amrinder Singh, Captain Amrinder Singh. No, तो उसमें the amount of atrocities they have committed, आंखें निकाल दी, हाथ पैर काट कर दिए, नाखून निकाल दिए. I mean, it is not done. You have to respect. You see, I remember one thing. Our one general was there when the battle took place. They attacked once, twice, thrice, 3 बार attack किया, and their captain sahab, he died on the spot there. Next day morning, when they came to take the body, General Airy was there. That time Colonel Airy, he handed over a piece of paper to them, and he said कि they asked, what is it? He said, it is the citation of your officer. I have written. Please recommend him for the highest award. Indian officer recommending highest award for Pakistani officer, General Airy, Grenadiers. So, that magnanimity they don't have. They don't have that magnanimity.
जैसे कारगिल के टाइम पे भी उन्होंने अपने ही सोल्जर्स लेने से मना कर दिया था, ऐसा बोला जाता है. कारगिल युद्ध के टाइम पाकिस्तान ने अपने ही सोल्जर्स लेने से मना कर दिया.
हाँ, naturally. Because what they had claimed कि it is the Mujahidins. Actually, most of it was a northern light infantry. So naturally they could not take their bodies कि ये तो पता लग जाएगा हमारी आर्मी है करके. That is what it is.
वैसे आपके टाइम से अभी तक आपको क्या लगता है कि ये जो सैन्य शक्ति है कितनी संगठित हुई है?
नहीं मैम,
मैं कह रही हूँ आपके टाइम से 71 से आप देख रहे हैं और अभी तक जो सैन्य शक्ति है कितनी संगठित हुई है?
बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया है मैम. The thing is that the facilities which we were having that time, they were extremely low. So most of the time we were पानी नहीं था, बाथरूम में जो नहाने का फैसिलिटी नहीं थी. Here when I have gone to the sport and I have seen कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज देयर. हमारे तब रात को लालटेन लेके बैठते थे हम, ठीक है ना. यहाँ तो उस समय पेट्रोमैक्स हमें यदि मिल जाए तो इट वाज अ ग्रेट थ्रिल कि क्या मिल गया करके. अभी तो हर एक पोस्ट के ऊपर द गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग हेल ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज नाउ. गुड राशन इज देयर. In Kupwara we were there, we used to eat vitamin C tablets because the fresh we didn't get. Abhi to fresh, getting a fresh and all that. So hell of a lot of change, and really one is glad कि what we have suffered, they are not suffering.
गवर्नमेंट का भी फर्क पड़ता है. जैसे उस टाइम पे इंदिरा गांधी की सरकार थी और तो डिफेंस के प्रति जो प्रधानमंत्री रहे हैं हमारे, तो उनका कैसे नेतृत्व चेंज हुआ है?
You see, they have provided the facilities whichever was possible to them. But the thing is that gradually one is, ab dekho, when we were in Kashmir, we used to start at 6 o'clock in the morning from Kupwara. The post where I had to go, it used to take 18 hours walking. 18 घंटे. अभी तो हर एक जगह गाड़ी जाती है, ठीक है ना. So it is very convenient. Over a period of time, the progress is taking place and all that.
Thank you, sir.